Black hair color is applied to hair for a number of reasons. Unfortunately, the processes by which the color is removed from hair is much more challenging. The processes for removing black hair color are very similar to the other colors, but there are a few differences. If you have unwanted black hair, in this video we are going to show you 5 home remedies to remove or fade black hair dye. Watch this video till end. Let's dive right in. Use a vitamin C treatment. Much like removing other hair colors from your hair, a vitamin C treatment could lighten your black hair a shade or two. However, this works best with semi-permanent color as the acid will work more like lemon juice to lighten your hair. Make a paste of vitamin C tablets and water, apply the paste to damp hair, let it set for about an hour, wash the paste out of your hair. Try a raw honey treatment. Raw honey may not strip the hair color as much as it might turn it a lighter shade. The treatment is known to produce peroxide, and we know this as a form of bleach. You will need to use raw unpasteurized honey, which you could be able to get at farmer's market or direct from a local honey producer. Mix 4 parts raw honey with 1 part water. Let the mixture sit for 30 minutes to an hour. Apply the mixture to damp hair. Cover your hair and let it sit for at least 2 hours. Rinse and repeat as desired. You can do this a few times every week to gradually lighten your hair. Use a clarifying shampoo. Using a clarifying shampoo is by far the easiest way to lighten your hair. It will act faster than normal washing. Clarifying shampoos designed to get chlorine out of hair help with removal of black hair color. Anti-dandruff shampoos have also been known to strip some types of hair color from your hair. This effect can be enhanced in some cases by mixing with equal parts baking soda. Keep it on your hair for a few minutes and then rinse to check the results. This may require multiple washes to get the desired results. Washing your hair multiple times will see you more hair color go down the drain each time. However, do not do this more than 3 times a day. Do a bleach wash. A bleach wash is a gentler way to bleach your hair that involves mixing bleach with shampoo. The shampoo dilutes the bleach, meaning less chance of damage, and helps it spread evenly throughout your hair so you don't end up with streaks. Depending on how much lighter you want to take your hair, you may need to do multiple bleach washes. Start with unwashed hair. The natural oils will protect your scalp from irritation. Mix bleach powder with volume 20 developer per the instructions on the packet. Add an equal amount of shampoo to the bleach mixture. Wet your hair so it's damp and lather the bleach shampoo mixture into your hair with your hands or a dye brush. But don't apply the mixture to your roots yet. Stop applying the mixture about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters away from your roots. They will develop faster and turn out much lighter if you bleach them at the same time as the rest of your hair. Once you have saturated the middle and ends of your hair, wait about 10 to 15 minutes before applying the bleach shampoo mixture to your roots. When your roots have lightened with the rest of your hair, rinse the hair. Try an oil treatment. This is recommended to remove henna, indigo and other stain hair colors, but it will not work for permanent hair colors. It may not remove the color any faster than washing does. Choose a lightweight oil like argan or jojoba oils or purchase a hair-specific oil. You may be able to make your own mixture or purchase something pre-mixed. You also may want to purchase enough to do the treatment twice. Apply an ample amount to your entire head. Let it sit for as long for a few hours. If you can, cover your hair and keep the oil an overnight. It could give you better results. Remove the oil with shampoo. Remember, oil and water don't mix well, so you may need to wash it a few times to get the oil out. This method reduces the chances for damage as the oil should be conditioning your hair while it strips the color. This is all for now. We love to read your experience and feedbacks in the comment section below. Like this video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.